Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to the channel. So now that summer has officially started, and here in Texas we hit the preheat stage where we're averaging close to 100 degrees a day. But once summer rolls around or gets fully started, we're going to be over 100. So today we're making a really simple dish. We are making fresh lemonade. Nothing screams summer like fresh lemonade. So I wanted to thank all my viewers for watching. All my new viewers, I want to say welcome. Remember, hit that like, share, and subscribe button and ring that notification bell. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and make fresh lemonade. For our fresh lemonade, you're going to need the following: sugar, water, and lemons. So for our fresh lemonade, we're going to need roughly 1.5 cups of lemon juice. So the first thing we need to do is get our lemon juice. Go. Knock one lemon down, and we will be filtering out the seeds, so there's no need to worry about that right now. I forgot to get me a bowl to put my used lemons in. There we go. All right, we're gonna move on to our next one. So I'm gonna continue getting our lemon juice, and once we get our 1.5 cups, we're gonna move on to making our simple syrup. So now that we've got our lemon juice made, what we're going to do is we need to make us a simple syrup. So to a pan over a medium heat, we are going to add in 1 cup of water and 1.5 cups of sugar. And we're going to, like I said, we're going to heat this up over a medium heat till the sugar is dissolved and it comes up to a light simmer. So as you can see, our sugar has dissolved and we're starting to get a simmer on this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cut off the heat and we're going to let this cool down. And just so you know, if you want to make this ahead of time, just store this simple syrup in a airtight sealed container and place it in your fridge, and it'll be good for a few weeks. All right, so we have everything set up and ready to go. So we've got a pitcher of water here, and this is roughly 7 cups. So to this, we are going to add in our simple syrup. I'm trying my best not to make a mess, because we know how that goes. Whenever there's a mess to be made, I'll be the one to make it. Now we're going to add in our fresh lemon juice. And we're going to give this a good mix. I'm going to grab me a spoon and give me a quick little taste test here. But I think this is going to be perfect just how it is. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Now we're going to get this in a glass and we're going to have us some lemonade. All right, everyone. So now that we've got our lemonade made, let's serve this up with some ice. Oh yeah, the tartness of the lemon, the sweetness of the simple sugar. It's perfect on a hot day. So I hope y'all really do give this recipe a try. It's definitely a keeper in my book. I'll be making it more often. So I want to thank all my dedicated viewers. I want to say I thank you so much for helping to support my channel. And for all my new viewers, welcome. And remember, hit that like, share, and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So I'm going to finish off this glass and eliminate probably most of this pitcher. But until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen.